Dear students, in this online class, we are going to learn benefits of international business. We are going to first of all learn benefits of international business from nation point of view. That is benefits of international business to the nation. First one, earning of foreign exchange. So this international business will help a country to earn foreign exchange, and whatever that foreign exchange earned by that exporting country, that can be used for meeting its imports of capital goods, technology, petroleum products, and fertilizers. So a country can survive for a longer period of time by exporting goods to the other country and earning that foreign currency, and that currency is going to be utilizing for a further process of business activities. The second one, more efficient use of resource, that is optimum utilization of the available resource. This international business will give a platform to the different countries. As you already know, in this chapter, the resources are not properly distributed in all the countries of the world. Some countries are having more resource, some countries are having less resource, right? That is the reason why this international business will distribute. That means this international business will distribute goods properly. That means even distribution of products to the different countries of the world. As such, the resources are going to be properly utilized. That means the excess production or the products can be exported, and this will lead to earn foreign currency. So that is what about the second point, that is a more efficient use of the available resources. So country will get more advantage of this international business opportunity to produce and distribute to the different parts of the world. Next, improving growth prospects and employment potential. Both of the countries, means export country and import country, will get improvement, will get some growth because of availability of products, services according to the needs, according to the expectation, or according to the likes of the buyers. And here employment opportunities are going to increasing. That means this international business will provide platform to all the countries to create more and more employment opportunities, because of to anticipate the demand, each country is going to produce and distribute, means export to other country, and this will need more manpower. This will require more number of employees. So people will get more employment opportunities. Thus, this international business or foreign trade will create employment opportunities. Next, increased standard of living. So it is because of international business provides variety of products, and customers have more options to buy products and services, and supply of products and services at acceptable price, and quality durable products are available. So by utilizing all these, no doubt the citizen of a country will improve their standard of living by utilizing all these resources which are available in the market. So this is because of what? Globalization, pre-existence in the market. So any country produce and distribute in any countries of the world. These are what about benefits of international business to a nation, means to a country. So country is going to benefit to these advantages. At the same time, there are some benefits to firms, means to an organization. There are some benefits. So earlier benefits what we have seen, those are benefits to the nation, and these are benefits to the firm, individual organization. So what are the benefits to the organization, or what are the benefits to the firm? First one, prospectus for higher profits. That is, when the domestic prices are lower, means less, business organization can earn more profit by selling their products in countries where prices are high. That means a firm can sell its product, means export products in other countries at higher prices. That leads to earning more revenue. So sometimes it is so happen that a firm may not able to get sufficient price for that product in home country, but the same product has a more demand in other country, so that is going to be benefited. Second, increased capacity utilization. That is, by making of use their surplus production capacities, and also improving the profitability of their operations. An organization can go for increasing capacity to utilize the available resources. Here it is, many firms set up production capacities for their products which are in excess of demand in the domestic market. By planning overseas expansion and procuring orders from foreign customers, they can think of making use of their surplus production capacities and also improving the profitability of their operations. So after meets out the local requirement, an organization can get to demand from abroad, and according to that goods are going to dispatched. Next, prospectus for growth. When a firm has an opportunity to produce and supply production to different countries, so when the country is fulfilled the requirement of the domestic market, then it can go for a supply, means export surplus production to other country, and that leads to growth of the business. So business will develop domestically, as well as day by day the business is also going to improving at a international market. That is, business firms find it quite frustrating when demand for their products starts getting started in the domestic market. At that point of time, such firms can considerably improve prospectus of their growth by plunging into overseas markets. Next, wave to intense competition in a domestic market. So in domestic market there will be the more competition. So country can, means the firm can go for a international market at that point of time. That means highly competitive domestic market drives many companies to go international in search of markets for their products. So when there is more competition from domestic market, when the firm finds difficulty to survive in domestic market, if it finds that opportunity at international level, then this opportunity is going to encashed by the firm, so which can sell products at international level and can earn more revenue. So these are what about benefits of international business to the firm. These are what about benefits of international business from the nation point of view and also from the organization point of view. Thank you.